Hey, what is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be going to an airsoft place called Battlegrounds. Please sponsor me, by the way, with my friend Maximum and Matt, and we're gonna be playing some like in there with airsoft guns. So it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna strap my GoPro to my head because I got a GoPro head mount, and yeah, I'm just gonna play some raw footage of us playing airsoft. So it'll be fun. Just warning you guys in advance, this video might be long, so skip ahead right now if you want to see the airsoft. Yo, my gun is ready. It's right here, and yeah, they're coming to pick me up right now. Arrived at the location. BG sponsored me. Yo, some guy just got body tackled and his gun confiscated because he didn't have a cover on it, dude. This is crazy. There's people right behind us. See those guys in cowboy hats? They got like military gear, and we just got these puny guns, and we're gonna get screwed over because they got LMGs and rocket launchers and grenades. I just finished the first round and I got onto a pool table and got shot in the arm immediately. So apparently the GoPro is out of batteries, even though it said it was 97% before I came here. So that's unfortunate. Just did get the GoPro to work, is at 34%. But there's this guy over there going all out. He's got his airsoft chainsaw. I don't know if you can see that, but he has an airsoft chainsaw. Yo, this is the squad right here. There's Matt. I'm on the GoPro. Reversing those people over there, and there's our team. It's gonna be crazy. Yo, it's crazy in here, guys. Just that guy right there is our oh god. Oh crap, oh my god. I don't want to die. Oh my god. What's up? Go, go, go. Hey.
Hey, move it. Let go, let go, let go.
Yo, Matt, let's go this way. Oh shit, I saw the guy. Hit, frame the finger. Jesus Christ, you can't even leave without getting shot. We're pinned down, guys, don't let this stop us. Matt, there's people I just got shot from back there. Be careful. I got shot 4 times and already put my hand up. Oh Jesus. Where do you want me to go?
Like back to
Yo, Matt, give me some space. I'm running in. We're here with the gang.
How much does that?
What?
How much does that?
0. I got hit like 400 times. Oh, Matt, dude, these are the people in that tunnel right there.
Tunnel, one in the tunnel.
Let me in.
Yeah, move. Let him go.
Someone in that tunnel was there.
Thanks.
Yo, so we just finished that game. I think we lost because we couldn't even leave the base without getting shot. We tried to breach the tunnel and then it didn't work. Yo. They're on a different team, so I'm about to shoot all of them. You guys are going down. You're going down, buddy.
Okay.
Yo, guys, we are walking over right now. Got my gun. I'm ready, guys. What's up? We are about to play our next game. I got my handgun right here. There's Matthew. And yeah, we were on separate teams last game, and Carson over there shot me. So I'm a vlogger. What's you looking at? I'm a vlogger. Hey, what's up, Gunner Gang? Yeah, I'm here with Matt and that kid. And it's crazy. I'm gonna shoot up this car. Gangster. Yo guys, I got 2 kills that game and 2 deaths. I accidentally shot my boy Matt there in the neck. And yeah. Hey, what is up guys? My camera's strapped to the nozzle of my gun. I'm aware that is pointing at my face. Guys, I'm eating these British candy things called squanchies.
Squashes.
What was it?
Squashes.
Okay, yeah, squashies.
If you guys see, that's what I'm about to say. If you guys see a pattern over here, most of you guys are dressed in red. They're red. Yeah. The only one who's not red is wearing a red banana. Shoot him. Okay?
What if I'm colorblind?
These guys are not wearing any red. Shoot them. All right.
So guys, it's all us versus this military guys over there, so we're probably gonna die. I know why they tell us to wear gloves. Look at this. Ew. Got shot there, got shot there. Drew blood. Guys, I swear to God they were using metal BBs because we got that and that. But hey, I got 9 kills, so that's great. So that is going to be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you guys want more Airsoft videos in the future, just make sure to drop a big fat thumbs up on this video. And yeah, see you in the next one.